Good afternoon. My name is Sandra Sayigwa from the Department of Hospitality and Tourism within the Durban University of Technology. In the spirit of the 67 minutes of Mandela Day and with our commitment to giving back to the community, we have went and invited a school which is based at Ntuzuma. The name of the school is Mandlenkosi. So these are students whose kitchen has been vandalized and equipment was stolen, and these are consumer studies. They're doing consumer studies. The students are doing grade 12 and they are lacking the practical component, which is very critical for someone who is doing consumer studies. So we have decided as part of us giving back to the community, we have decided to invite them, to give them a practical component and for them to be exposed to a fully equipped professional kitchen so that they are inspired to become chefs or to be within the space of hospitality and tourism. This practical component that they've got today will actually be very impactful towards their studies and making sure that they pass their grade 12 with understanding of what consumer studies is all about. So today we've given them a practical component where they were able to complete 2 dishes, and at the end they were able to experience the fine dining that any consumer student deserves to know and deserves to experience.
My name is Amanda Potoli from Mandlenkosi High School doing grade 12 in consumer studies. Today's experience was very excellent because I've learned that everything is possible with teamwork. I've learned different ways to work in the kitchen, how to stay hygiene, and it was fun. Ukwenza yonke into nawonke umuntu. Sifunda okuningi kakhulu futhi because esikoleni sikwazi ukuthola ezinye izinto nokuthi izinto eziningi nokuthi dish fanele ipresenteke nje kanjani nokuthi nje sibhake yeah. Going forward, experience namhlanje ingisiza ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi even if khona izinto engizenzayo noma mhlambe ngifuna ukupresenta another different type of dish, ngazi ukuthi izinto zami ngiprepare kanjani, imapha ama-methods zami kufanele ngiwayise phambili before ngisebenze nje yeah.
Hi, I'm Ntuzuma from Mandlenkosi High School. I'm doing my grade 12 there and also doing consumer studies. For namhlanje, I'm feeling so grateful with DUT ukuthi sinikeze such an opportunity ukuthi sizokwazi ukwenza ama-practical lana sipheke and so on, because esikoleni sami I am doing consumer but we don't have the proper equipment consumer study students needs, like tofu and all your kitchen utensils. Since I am doing my matric, I'm obviously going to apply a la at DUT, and my first choice is hospitality and tourism. Hopefully, bazongithatha. Thank you.
We were invited by DUT, and at first we were reluctant because with grade 12 it is not easy to be out of school, especially at this time of the year. However, we decided as a school to take a chance. So we are so grateful that we do not turn down this invite.
This opportunity that we given is a big opportunity because they really get this opportunity at our schools since we are lacking the resources.